Yes, sir.
Okay. So we were discussing about the definitions of design and engineering design. So what is the meaning of design is that it is the physical realization of theoretical concepts. Whatever concepts we had in previous days, so that we are realizing, that we are making the physical model with, that is called as design. So whatever theoretical concept we have, that are converting into physical model, that is called as design. So what is the next thing? So direct list, we have theoretical concept, we can make it to physical concept. To do that we need some kinds of parameters are required, some specifications are required, data is required, perfect frame is required to do that. So that is nothing but what? Application of science and technology to produce the machine. To make the physical realization, we need a science, we need a technology, and some kind of inventions, innovative methods are required to do that. That is called as engineering design. That is not a sufficient. Only application of science and technology is not a sufficient. Along with that, what is required? Economy is required. Whatever machine we are designing, that should have the minimal cost, that should have the less cost economy, and it should work properly, it should have the high efficiency. So that is called as engineering design. It is the application of science and technology and invention to produce machine to perform specified tasks with the optimal economy and efficiency. In other words, in general meaning, we can say cost and durability. So cost and durability is important. So these two we have discussed here. Next concept is about the, yes, we were discussing about the opportunities in the electrical machine design. What kind of opportunity we can have in case of machine design? Is it a dead field, or is it an active field, or is it a live field? That kind of discussions we have done in last class. So what kind of opportunity we have means what? We can say already many machines, our domestic machines are almost fixed, so almost saturated. Almost whatever domestic machines we are using, that all are saturated in design. But where it is required is that nowadays electrical vehicles are trending, right? Electrical vehicles are trending. In that electrical vehicle, we need electrical motor. We need the electrical motor. So in that, we have to design electrical motor for different applications. For electrical vehicle, it may be car, it may be two-wheeler, it may be four-wheeler, it may be truck. So based on that, we have to design the motor, because motor is the main part of that system. So in that electrical vehicle, motor is the main part. We have to design as per our requirement. So in electrical vehicles, we have the opportunities in the designing of that motor. Next is that in aerospace. In aerospace, we have the opportunities in that. So different kind of machines, not only this induction machine, synchronous machine. Even we have some derived machines also we have. What are those? Stepper motor is present, reluctant motor is present, then small motors are present. Those are also having the major role in the electrical in aerospace engineering. So in that aerospace engineering also we have the different kinds of machines we need. In that case also we have the opportunities. So in electrical machine design is required in case of aerospace, in case of electrical vehicles. In many places are there. Even I'm mentioning the important parts I have mentioned here. So many spaces electrical machines are required. That to design is required for that. Not only machines, proper design is required. So that is about the opportunities we have. So next we have the factors for consideration in electrical machine design. Next topic is about the factors for consideration in electrical machine design. So what are the things are visible here? What you are seeing is that just we are seeing the machine part, right? You can see the machine part. Okay. Now, so so in this machine, so you can see the machine here. So in this machine, so what are the parts we have? What are the parts we have? You can see that. So in this machine, leave it. Okay. So factors for consideration in electrical machine design. So think that we have an electrical machine or a transformer we can have. So already you have studied the transformer part, electrical machines part you have studied, and even you have seen the machines also. Even in laboratory you have seen the machines, you have seen the transformer. So what are the components we may have in case of transformer? You can say in case of transformer, we can say we have the primary winding we have, a secondary winding we have, and after that what we have electric
Course.
core we have. So and on
Limits.
that and core is present and windings are present. Sorry. So these are the parameters we have in case of transformer. Even in case of machine also, so we have the windings are present, and we have the stator and rotors are present, and we have the machine body is present, and all the things we have in case of machines. Correct? In that case, what happens here is
Yes.
that so those things we have to consider while designing that motor. So it is made up. We have the prime windings, right? It is made up of what? Which kind of material?
Coppers.
It is made up of. It is made up of copper. In
Copper.
case of transformer and
Copper.
machines, it is made up of copper. And in case of core, is we have seen. So core we have seen. So what is the material for core?
High grade silicon steels.
High grade silicon steel.
silicon steel, or I can say it is the, yes, silicon steel, hybrid silicon steel, or in general speaking it is iron. It is iron part. Next we have the next one more part, we have the between the windings. In between windings we have the insulation. Between the windings we have the insulation. They should not come in close contact,
Contact.
two windings. Those two windings should not come in contact with those two. That's why to avoid that, to avoid the contact between winding to winding and winding to core, what we are doing is that we are using
Insulating.
the insulating material. We are using the, yes, we are using the insulating material. So those are the things we are having. So those we can say, sorry, so those things we have to consider. So we cannot say it is iron, it is a copper, or it is insulating material. In general we can say like this, we can say. So what are the factors we are considering means what? Magnetic circuit is required. What is meaning of magnetic circuit? Magnetic circuit nothing but it is the iron part, silicon steel part, or a core part. Core part is required in case of machines. Next, what is required? Electric circuit is required. What is meaning of electric circuit? Windings. Electrical circuit nothing but what? It is the winding. Windings are required. What is the next thing? Next thing is that dielectric circuit. What is the meaning of dielectric circuit? Is that insulating material. Magnetic circuit nothing but it is the core part or iron part. Electrical circuit nothing but winding part. Dielectric circuit nothing but it is the insulation part. One more circuit is present. What is that? Thermal circuit. What is the meaning of thermal circuit? Means what? It is the cooling part. Is the cooling parts are required. In case of small transformer, in case of your laboratory, whatever you have seen, that does not require any, these kind of machines don't require the cooling part because of the smaller in size. Because smaller in size, so even we are not using those machines and transformer for a long time. Just for a few minutes we are using and we are switching it off. So if that machines or that kind of transformer will not require the much amount of cooling part. Only large machines, in case of if you have seen the substations, in that case we have the power transformers are present, big generators are present. In that case cooling is required because heat generation is more. So what heat generation will be more, we require the cooling. Of course, even different types of coolings are present. Will come next cases. I think you have studied also. If not, we can study those things in machine design also. So those kind of coolings are required. That is coming under what? Thermal circuit. Circuit means what? What you're telling is that we are just system. Magnetic system we can have, electrical system we can have, dielectric system, thermal system. Like that, circuit nothing but we can say the systems we have. Cooling system we require, insulating material is required, winding is required, core is required. Like that, those things we are telling in a professional manner. That's it. And what we have? Mechanical parts are present. For supporting purpose, even we can have the shaft is present and surrounding cores and surrounding, what is that? Protection purpose. Stand is present, shaft is present. So all things come under the mechanical parts. All come under the mechanical parts. These are the things: magnetic circuit, electric circuit, dielectric circuit, thermal circuit, and mechanical parts are required. Along with these things, what is required? Yes, these are the things are required. Along with those things, even while designing that machine, we have to take care of these things. What are those? National and international standards. Perfect. Yes or no? We have to take care of national and international standards. Even we cannot design the system, we cannot design that machine randomly. We have to take care of standards. Whatever standards we have to take care. For example, I can give you one example. Pin nodri, two pin nodiri, ella kade ee two pin ittantandre in ella kade apply ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮ್ದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ 2 ಪಿನ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ, 2 ಪಿನ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ 2 ಪ್ಲಗ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಪಿನ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಆ ಪಿನ್ನಿನ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. What they are doing is that they are maintaining the standard. That's why even we can use that pin, 2 pin plug in our home and college and everywhere we can use that. Because of what? Because of standards. Even the mobile charger, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಸೀದಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಸ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೋ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, 2 ಪಿನ್ ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ needs. Sometimes some customers required special kind of material, special motors they are required, special material they insist to, they will tell to use this material only, this is the body, this should be the stand, this should be the shaft, like that they will insist us. So that also we have to take care. Maintenance and repair. Just designing is not sufficient. After that, when it come to the repairing part, so we have to take care of that. Even mobile, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸದ್ಯ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಮಿ 6 ಅಂತಾರ, ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಯಲ್ಮಿ ಅಂತಾರ, ರೆಡ್ಮಿ ಅಂತಾರ, ಆಪಲ್ 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಂದವಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಆಪಲ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಅದ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Spare parts also they will manufacture along with that machine, along with that mobile. What they do is that along with that mobile they manufacture the spare parts also. ರಿಪೇರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ ಟೈಪ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಹೊಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ದಿ machines, we have to take care of maintenance also. And environmental conditions, where we are using these machines. Are we using this machine in a Bijapur? Are we using this machine in a Madhya Pradesh? Are we using this in a Kashmir? Even are we using vertically or horizontal, or is it a ceiling fan, or is it table fan, is it a wall mounted fan? Where it is useful? Is it inside, is it outdoor or indoor? Those things we have to take care. That also we have to consider. And convenience in production and transportation, that is also important. Production ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇವನ್ ರೈಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ. So in that place only we have to put our manufacturing unit. Like that those are things we have to decide. We have to think before designing the machine. These are the factors we have to think before designing the machine. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So next thing we shall discuss is that next part, limitations in the design. Correct. So first, before designing that, before starting the designing is that what are the limitations, what are the standards we have, what are the problems we can face while designing the machines, that we can understand now. Limitations of the machine design. Limitations are involved in designing of electrical machines, or you can say factors which limit the design of machines. So it is very, very important question it is. Even you can see that in January 18, July 18, Jan 19, July 19, Jan 2020, in all question papers, it is, you can see this question. When you can write it in your book also. The limitations are 100% sure they will have the question from module number 1. So limitations are, can say it is a 5-star question please. I can say it is 5-star fixed question. 200% I can say. Out of 100 you can, I will say 200% also. So like this, 200 means what? It is very important questions I am telling like. So it is very important question for the exam point of view. For the exam point of view, remember this one. We shall discuss that limitations. Yes, limitations are there here. What is the first limitation is that saturation. First one is that saturation. What is the meaning of saturation? What kind of limitation we have? We can see in case of saturation. So saturation, it is with respect to, I am telling is that it is with respect to the iron part of that machine. It is with respect to iron or a core part of that machine, or silicon, or say what we can say iron part of that machine. Iron part of machine nothing but what? Flux. It is with respect to the flux or flux density of that iron material. So saturation is we are talking with respect to the flux density of that iron material. Flux density of that iron material. So how do you link all these things? Yes, I will give you one example here. So I want to build a small machine. Nowadays what trending is that we have to design with as much as small machine we have to. Mobile thickness thick mobile thick chalo ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮೊದಲು ಏನಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫೋನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫೋನ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತು, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತು, ಡಿಪ್ ಬರ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲೀಗ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ 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 ಮತ್ತು ಥಿನ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಅನಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅದರದ್ದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಸೈಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ ಜನ. ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ small size materials. So volume we have to decrease. We cannot use big machines nowadays. People are preferring for small kind of machines. Preferring for small kind of machines. I will tell you. So while reducing the size of that machine, what are the problems we can face? We'll tell you now. While reducing the size of that machine, what are the factors? What is these things comes into picture? Those we shall discuss now. Another example I can give. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಲೊಂದು ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೈಪ್ ಹಚ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ 1 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಆರ್ 2 inch ಪೈಪ್. ಒಂದು ದಿಪ್ ಪೈಪ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಈಗ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ 2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಹಚ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು 1/2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಹಚ್ಚ್ರಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೈಪ್ ಹಚ್ಚ್ರಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೈಪ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದಾಗ ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಿತ್ತು, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ 15 minutes. ಅದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿಡಿತದ? ಅದು 15 minutes ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ 2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಹಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 1/2 inch ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಇಂಚ್, 1/2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 15 minutes ತುಂಬಬೇಕಾದ ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ 15 minutes. ಬಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಇತ್ತು, 2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟದ? 1/2 inch ಅದ. ಬಟ್ 15 minutes ತುಂಬಬೇಕದು. ನೀವು ಪೈಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಅಂತೂ 15 minutes ತುಂಬಬೇಕು ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆ 2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. 2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲಘುನೆ ತುಂಬತದ, 15 minutes ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತದೆ. ಅದೇ 1/2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ರ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ರ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೋ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ನೀರು 1/2 inch ಪೈಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ರ, ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ರ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಪೈಪ್, ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಆ ಪೈಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಇವನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಭಾಳ ಆಲಿಕತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೀರು ಹೊರಗೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸೋರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಪೈಪ್ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಒಂದು ಬಿಗ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅದ, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅದ, 5 HP ಮಷೀನ್ ಅದ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ 5 HP ಮಷೀನ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಸೈಜ್. ಈಗೇನು ಸೈಜ್ ಅದ ಆ ಸೈಜ್ ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ, ಇನ್ನ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸೈಜ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 5 HP ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದರ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅದ್ರ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸೈಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಸೈಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಐರನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗ್ತದ. ಏನು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಐರನ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐರನ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಜಾಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಿಡಿತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ that will decreases. But at the same time what happens here is that saturation will increases. The flux density ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಷೀನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತದ ಹೈ ಆಗ್ತದ ಅವಾಗ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅದ್ರ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ನೀವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಷೀನ್ದಾಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಷೀನ್ಲೇ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಏನ್ ಐರನ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕೋರ್ ಅಂತ, ಆ ಕೋರದ್ದು ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ವಿಲ್ increases. Flux density will increases. So there is a limitation to that flux density. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದಿರಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಮನುಷ್ಯಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಒಂದು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ. ಭಾಳ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ even that iron, whatever iron we are using for as a core has a limitation with respect to flux density. That is nothing but what? That is nothing but saturation. It is nothing but saturation. It is reaching its saturation. So ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅದ್ರ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ದು saturation will goes to final value. Saturation goes to final value. If saturation will be high, if flux density will be high, what happens? Core loss ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಚ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನೀರು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ similar to that, here also core loss will increase. With respect to flux, we have the flux density and flux or iron part. We have the which kind of loss we have? We have the core. We have the core loss. Core loss is more here. So it is one of the limitation we have. So nowadays what is preferring is that small size machines are preferred. To do that small size machine, what they are doing is that they are using the material with a high flux density. They are using the core with or core material or iron material with a high flux density. If flux density is high, what happens? Saturation will increase. Core loss will increase. That is one of the limitation. We have to reduce the size of the machine. It is a customer need. We have to reduce the size of the machine, but at the same time we have to take care of that flux density. We have to take care of core loss. That is one of the limitation. We can say it is the challenge. These are the it's kind of challenge we can face while designing that machine. It is one of the limitation. Next is that current density. Similar same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐರನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ತನ. ಐರನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹೈ ಆತಂದ್ರ ಕೋರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಐರನ್ ಕೋರ್ ಒಳಗ ಐರನ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆತಂದ್ರ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಕೋರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. Similarly, current density we are talking. Even we are reducing the size of that machines, at the same time even what you are doing is that winding also kadime alikutavalle. Bare material size kadime agilla. Even we are reducing the windings also. Andre idu capacity maintenance ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. We have to maintain the same capacity, but size is decreased. In the size means what? Even winding also decreased. Means what? Whatever windings are present, in that only we are intending more current we are intending, and the current density ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಲಿಕ್ತದೆ. ಇದ್ದ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಾಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೊಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ with respect to this current density what is present here is that copper loss. You can see the copper loss. You can see the copper loss. If current density increases, copper loss will increases. Copper loss will increases. It is also one of the limitation we have. We have to it is one of the limitation we can face while designing that machine. Next is what is the next thing? Temperature. Even we have high current, even we have high flux, what happens? If current is high, load on that system is high, what happens? Temperature inside the system will increase. Heat generation will takes place. Use a ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆ ಮೋಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೋಟರ್ ಅದು ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್. So means what? Even if you are using that machine longer time, if you are using the high load, if you have the high current, in that case, temperature inside the machine will increase. Temperature inside the machine will increases. We have to reduce that. That is one of the challenge we can face while designing that machine. Temperature also we have to control. What is the next thing? Insulation. If temperature is high, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಿಸಿದೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಸುಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಸಾರಿ, insulation part will burn. Yes or no? If current is high, heat generation is high, what happens? If it exceeds the limit, what happens? Insulation will burn. So it will affect on the it will make the effect on insulation. It will make the effect on insulation. So insulation life will decrease. Its validity will decreases. So that should not affect on the insulation. Insulation failure ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Insulation ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸುಡ್ತದೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಸುಟ್ಟದ, ಮೋಟರ್ ಸುಟ್ಟದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೀಟ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಮೋಟರ್ ಸುಟ್ಟದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೋಟರ್ ಸುಟ್ಟಾರ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಥಿಕ್ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಥಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೆಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಥಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಷನ್ if you are having the very big machine or large machine, high rated machine or high capacity machine. Even you can ask the question is that sir you can have the thick insulation we can use. No, we cannot use the thick insulation. Again there is a standard for that. For this material, for this rating, this is the insulation size. Like that we have the ratings for like this we have the standards we have in case of insulation. We cannot use the insulation randomly. So that is about the limitation with respect to the insulation. Mechanical strength of that material. Just or if you are using the very much high speed machine, for small machines, if speed is high, strength of the machine should be high. Whatever material we are using should be high. Just this speed ತಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಮೇಲಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಉಚ್ಕೋದ್ ಬೀಳಬಾರದು. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ತಿರುಗು ಮುಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಮಷೀನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಮಷೀನ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಹೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್. ಇವನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಮಷೀನ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್. ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅಲಗಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಬಹಳ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಶೇಕ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಮಷೀನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ should be high. Mechanical strength of this material should be high, and at the same time we should not avoid the efficiency, should not avoid the efficiency, should have high efficiency. ನಂಗೆ ಮೋಟರ್ ಅದೇ ಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಂಗೆ ಲೋ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ನಡೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಹೈ ಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಮೋಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈ ಪವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. High power factor. If it is low power factor, what are the disadvantage we can have? So it can have the, if power factor is low, it will draw the more current. Correct. If power factor is less, it draws the more current. Again, more current means what? More current density, heat generation takes place. That's why always we have to prefer the high power factor. Even in case of transmission line, in case of power system, so always we prefer the high power factor. High power factor. So that is important. We have to maintain the high power factor. We have to maintain the high efficiency. To do that, it is one of the challenge we can have. Yes. So that is okay, sir. We can have the high efficiency, high power factor. Sir, cost is little bit more, sir. In that, no. Again, there is a no. Cost to limit nagirbeko. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೋಟರ್ ಭಾರಿ ಅದ ಸರ್, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದ ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನಾಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಹೈ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ, ಹೈ ಪವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ holds the limitation on account of higher power capital cost, but no, should be in a economical manner. Economic ಇರಬೇಕು, high efficient ಇರಬೇಕು, high power factor ಇರಬೇಕು. So that like this we have to design. And at the same time, at last what we have, consumer we have, manufacturer we have, and specifications we have. We have the limitations on specifications. Register ಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಷಿನ್ ತೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋತಾರೆ? So it should satisfy the consumer also. So all the things we have to take care. There is nothing but design, right? Designing ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. All the factors we have to consider. That should not, everything we have to select. We have to check. That's why we can say there is no 100% perfect. Nothing is 100% perfect in the world. Everything has some kind of limitations. Even machine design also some kind of limitations we have. To satisfy one thing, we have to leave another thing. We have to moderate all the things. We have to moderate all the things, and we have to design the machine. This is about the limitations of machines. So saturation we have, it is with respect to the, it is with respect to flux density and core part. If size volume decreases, what happens? Volume decreases means what happens? Flux density will increases. Pipe ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪೈಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ತುಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಓನರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪೈಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೈಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ್ರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನೀರಿನ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಚ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರಿನ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀರಿನ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಸೋರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಪೈಪ್ ನೀರು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಇವನ್ ಕೋರ್ ಒಳಗ ನೀವು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕೋರ್ ಒಳಗ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕೋರ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಇವನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಇವನ್ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ವೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಾರಿ, ಕಾಪರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. I²R loss. Copper loss nothing but what? I²R loss. It depends on what? It depends on current. So with respect to that winding, we have the copper loss. Copper loss will increase. If current is high, temperature is high. If temperature is high, it may affect on the insulation part. It may affect on the mechanical strength of that material. So if all things along with that, we have to take care of efficiency and power factor and cost, consumer, manufacturer, and specifications we have to take care. So it is about the limitations of electrical machine design. It is one of the important part of your syllabus. Next we have, can I continue another 5 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will finish this part. Modern trends. Okay. Okay. So modern trends in the design of electrical machine. Modern trends in the design of electrical machine. What are the trends we are using nowadays while designing that machines? Why these trends are required? Why these trends are required? Is a modern world, it is a new era. We are in 21st century. So we should have some kind of trends. We have some kind of modern age facility we have some kind of trends also we have. Those things we have to study now. Have you studied CAD? Have you studied CAD, AutoCAD, electrical CAD? So I think it will come in 6th semester. Okay. Okay. So we can say designing of machine is an art test. It is along with that science we are telling. It should contain the science and technology. So along with that, so machine design is also an art test, because just we have seen that many limitations we have. So to avoid all limitations, to maintain all limitations, we have to create another thing, correct? So along with all limitations, so along with the consideration of all limitations and all factors, we have to design the machine. It is an art, it is. It is nothing but what it is? It is an art. Designing is an art and science. Even sometimes what happens here is that while designing this motor, whatever you design at the first time, that may not be perfect. That may not be 100% perfect. It may have some kind of imperfection. Problem ಇರಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಮಷಿನ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That undergo some kind of test. Even software ಹಂಗೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮಷಿನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. In next semester, in 7th semester, we have subject testing and commissioning of electrical apparatus. Like that, we have subject testing and commissioning. While testing that, after designing, we have some what you can say, we have some process that is called as testing. Every machine test we have to test before launching that. Before commissioning, we have to test the machine. So nowadays in modern era, what they are doing is that to test that motor, whatever the machine we have designed, we have to check it regularly. Iterations, with the many iterations, we have to check that frequently. Once la, ಎರಡ್ ಸಲ, ಮೂರು ಸಲ, ನಾಲ್ಕು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So like that, we should keep on checking that. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. We have to simulate that. What they are doing is that nowadays we are using the softwares for that. In software only we are simulating the machine. We are simulating all machines, we are simulating, and we are working on that. If it is perfect, they will send it to the manufacturers. Can use the computer aided design, CAD ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Even it is present in electrical also, it is also present in mechanical, it is also present in the civil also. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ CAD ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅದ, computer aided designs we have using softwares. What they do is that first they design all these machines in a software. They check that, they test that. After that, if it is perfect, they send this to the design while manufacturers. First you design that, after that simulation, after that manufacturing. So that is the process they are using in case of manufacturing of these machines. So what are the softwares we can use? You can use the electrical CAD. In college we have electrical CAD, and you can use the MATLAB also. PS CAD also you can use, CATIA, ANSYS. So I think in 2 days before you have heard about the E-Plan, ETAP also. That also you can use for the designing of that machines. This kind of work is going on in case of aerospace. In aerospace, these kind of simulations works are going on. So this kind of simulation works are going on. Using that software, they are working on that and designing the things. So using these softwares, we have to design the machines. So present trend it is. Nowadays, they are using this kind of software tool they are using and simulating. And if everything is correct, they are going for manufacturing. So this is about the modern trends in the design of electrical machine. It is about the modern trends it is. So I think you have class at 11:15. So today we shall end this much. So tomorrow we shall have the different topic. Modern trends in the next topic is about the manufacturing techniques. So we can have the next, we have tomorrow, we have the manufacturing techniques we shall study. After that we can study the kinds of materials we can study. So tomorrow again we have first hour class, we shall continue the class tomorrow. Okay, so today we shall end that. So if you have any doubt regarding this, tomorrow we shall discuss that. Okay.
Yes, sir.